welcome back to my channel. This is the last video, so this is the last time you are going to see this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Curly Kenny. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning Curly, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you like hair, if you like makeup, if you like lifestyle videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you never miss a video from me. We have fun over here, so go ahead and join the Curly crew, okay? Okay. Without further ado, let's get rate cards. This is the last video in the how to get a paid brand deal series. We are trying to make 2020 go out with a bang in 2020 and get you some coins. Now, YouTube is good, but you want to have different streams of income. If COVID-19 hasn't taught anybody anything else, they have taught them how to make more money different ways, more streams of income. Okay. We are talking about rate cards. What is a rate card? A rate card is it's how you get your money. It's your price tag for all of this. I am tired. Why am I acting like this? Okay, so a rate card. What is a rate card? Rate card is it's how you get your money. It's your price tag. So what you want to include in this rate card is besides your price tag, what you want to include in this rate card is your name, a photo of you, companies that you've worked with. You also want to put in your social information, your social media information. Make sure you do that. That way they know where to find you. Do at least three. 3 is the magic number. Make sure you do 3 different social media accounts. That way they know they can find you. Different companies have different preferences, so you do want to have that option for them. Also, if you, I don't know if I did or not, honestly. You also put your email address on there. What companies will be looking for is engagement rate. So you do want to have that on your rate card, just to have as a quick reference. An engagement rate is percentage of your responses to once you post something, your responses to those posts, how you engage with your followers. So a lot of companies, well, most companies do look for that, and they take that in consideration when it comes to price, when it comes to if they're going to take a brand deal. I've been turned down from companies because my engagement rate, not because my engagement rate wasn't high enough, but because I didn't have enough followers. But referencing back to my first video, it's not always about how many followers you have. You could have only a couple of thousand followers and have one of the best engagement rates, and they will want to work with you because your followers trust you. So that should be included on your rate card, engagement rate percentage. I already said your social media. You can include your traffic to your handles. Say how many followers you have on Twitter, TikTok, how many people you can reach. That's what they're looking for in a nutshell. That will make your price tag go up. A media kit, it's kind of like a rate card. It's kind of included in a rate card is kind of included in a media kit. You can make it just a single sheet or a single document. The media kit will have contact information, any websites that you have, email address, a photo, analytics, page views, demographics, social media, all of your social media handles, and your statistics for your channel or for your social media. And of course, your ad rates, your advertisement rates, what you are going to charge. Say you want to do 5 Instagram posts plus 5 stories for $1,000. That's what you would put on there. I would suggest you put at least 3 different packages on there so they, again, have their option, because you do want to include you want to include a variety of prices. That way they can find something that fits in their budget. That is very important as well. Always give them options of price, options of packages, options of where to find you, how to reach you. Always give them options. That way they have more reason to bypass you. So that is what a rate card and media kit. I will put in an example, insert an example that I found on Google. I thought that it was a very good example for media kit. So I will put that somewhere. Either I'll split screen it or I will just add it to the video. But it includes a lot of this information, and Google has a lot of different styles that you can use. Create my rate card and working on my entire media kit with one app. I do it on my phone. I do everything on my phone. It's called Canva, and I will put that below. I will also link that in the description box. If you haven't already, you should check it out. It gives you this. It's not sponsored by any means, but the Canva app gives you a template for logos. It gives you a template for YouTube thumbnails, YouTube cover, I believe, or banners. It gives you business card templates. It gives you a ton of different templates. It's just a huge variety. I love it. I forget. I think my friend at Sierra Reed, I will link her channel here. If you haven't already, follow her. Follow her on Instagram. I will put her Instagram link. I will put her Instagram handle here. And then I will also put her channel here. YouTube channel, the Sierra Reed. She is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I just love her to death. I love watching her channel. If you love makeup, if you love not hair, if that's me. If you love makeup, if you love skincare, she is your girl. Please, please, please check out her channel. Tell her Curly Kenny sent you. All right, back to Canva. I just went way off there. Back to Canva. It's a great app. You can utilize it for so many different things. So I suggest you do that if you haven't already found one that you absolutely love. I think that you will really benefit from that app. That will help you out a lot with thumbnails. It makes thumbnails easy peasy for me. Theme wise, it's so user-friendly, so user-friendly. I love it, love it, love it. So go ahead and check that. If you have any other suggestions, please leave a comment below. I am tired, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, comment again below, let me know you were here. That way I'm not talking to myself. Let me know that you're here. Comment below, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you never miss a video from me. And that will be it until the next video. That is all I have for you guys today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at curly_kenny. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.